Okay, I'm not getting any oil to my rocker arm, and I think it's the union between the rocker arm and a push rod. I don't think the hole is actually drilled in the right spot, so I did a little bit of relief drilling on the hole. And I can also, this is what I'm going to do, I'm going to flatten out the very tip of this to allow oil to pass to the hole a little more easier. I'm just going to take it down, oh, maybe a 1/2 millimeter. Just flatten out this top part right here. Just make this top flat so it gets to that hole a little easier. So it'll pass through this push rod, through the hole in the rocker arm, and so it can oil the ball on top of the rocker arm and the contact point between the rocker arm and the valve. Okay, so I flattened out the end of the push rod just slightly. Hopefully it'll allow to pass a little more oil to the rocker arm. Try and get a little bit of oil to get to that tiny hole that's on the rocker arm. It's not, they're not joining. I think they're not joining, not aligning. I got plenty of oil at the lifter. I'm not getting any oil up to the rocker arm. So I think this is where my location, the location of my problem. So let's install this and see if we're getting oil flow. I did relieve a little bit of opening on the rocker arm too. I tried to do some drilling to relieve it. The rocker arm is really hard. My drill, I just can't, need a drill press and probably some other way of trying to drill cast iron. Pretty hard. But I did do a little bit of relief around that hole, so there's a little bit of relief also on the rocker arm and on the push rod. So let's see if this works.